Sola, brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today topic is allotrophy of oxygen family. Oxygen families are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Group number 16 or 6A. First, allotrophy. Allotrophy can be defined as the property by which element exists more than one form that are physically different and chemically similar. First one, oxygen. Oxygen exhibit two types of allotrophy. First one, dioxygen, another one is ozone. Except oxygen, remaining elements, they have the vacant d orbital in the valence shell. It form p by d by multiple bond. Oxygen is a smaller size, high ionization energy, high electronegativity, absence of d orbital. So oxygen totally differ from the remaining elements. First one. Another one, sulfur. Sulfur exhibit two types. First one, crystalline. Another one, amorphous. Crystalline are rhombic or alpha sulfur and monoclinic, that is a beta sulfur. Amorphous sulfurs are plastic gamma sulfur. Another one, colloidal sulfur or delta lambda mu. Finally, milk of sulfur. These are the allotropes of sulfur. How to form? That is a transformation. Alpha sulfur heated 96 degrees Celsius or 369 Kelvin and form beta sulfur, that is a prismatic. This one further heated at 190 degrees Celsius to form delta sulfur. This one further heated 160 degrees Celsius, it form mu sulfur. Mu sulfur further heated sulfur 8. This one further heated sulfur 6. This one further heated sulfur 4. Sulfur 4 further heated at 1000 degrees Celsius to form sulfur 2. Sulfur 2 further heated at high temperature 2000 degrees Celsius to form sulfur. These are the transformation of sulfur, allotropes of sulfur. First, alpha sulfur heated at 96 degrees Celsius to form beta form. This one further heated 190 degrees Celsius to form delta sulfur. Delta sulfur further heated at 160 degrees Celsius to form mu sulfur. This one further heated to form sulfur 864. This one heated at a high temperature at 1000 degrees Celsius to form S2 sulfur. Further is a high temperature 2000 degrees Celsius to form the sulfur. This is known as allotropes of sulfur. Allotropes of sulfur totally two type. Crystalline form, another one is amorphous form. First one is alpha sulfur, another name rhomic sulfur. That is alpha sulfur, that is rhomic sulfur. Heated above 369 Kelvin to form monoclinic sulfur. That is beta sulfur. This monoclinic sulfur further cooled below or less than 369 Kelvin to form rhomic sulfur. At 369 Kelvin, both sulfur are coexist this temperature, transition temperature. Another one, plastic sulfur. Plastic sulfurs are obtained by the molten sulfur. Poured into cold water. That is water to form plastic sulfur. That is a yellow rubbery ribbon. It is a soft, stretched easily. This one further slowly cooled to form alpha sulfur. Alpha sulfur, nothing but rhomic sulfur. It is a hard and stable at room temperature. Among all the sulfur, rhomic sulfur is stable at room temperature and pressure. Another one, formation of lambda sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur heated at 140 degrees Celsius to form lambda sulfur. This one pale yellow liquid. This compound is unstable compound. The vapor over the yellow liquid consists of 90% of sulfur 678 and small amount of sulfur 235. These are the small quantity present in the lambda sulfur. These are the allotropes of sulfur. Another one is allotropes of selenium and tellurium. Selenium exists, there are two forms. First one is a red form. This one is a non-metal. Another one is a grey form. This one is a metal. This one is a red form, non-metallic nature. Grey form is a metallic nature. Tellurium exists, there are two forms. Non-metallic nature. Another one is a metallic nature. Among two, metallic nature is a stable compound. Here one more special character. Both selenium and tellurium formation of photosensitive element. Here, Cray form of selenium and tellurium consists of parallel chain by weak metallic bond. In the presence of light, weak metallic bond undergo break to form number of unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electron increase the conductivity. So, both selenium and tellurium used as a photosensitive element. This type of question may be asked the NEET. Another one, selenium used for particularly measuring the intensity of light. Last one, polonium. Polonium, there are two forms, alpha form, another one is a beta form, both are metallic nature. These are the allotropes of oxygen family. Oxygen families are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Except oxygen, these elements have the vacant d orbital in the valency shell. These are the special character. It forms the p by d by multiple bond. Another one, compounds of sulfur. First one, SO2. Second one, SO3. Third one, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is apt as a king of chemical, that is a oil of vitriol. This one obtained from the green vitriol. We discuss about later. First one, preparation of SO2 and SO3. First preparation, by burning of sulfur in air or oxygen. Sulfur burning with air, that is heated to form SO2. This sulfur, which consists of 6 to 8% heated with the oxygen to form SO3. How to balance the equation? 1 sulfur, sulfur, 2 oxygen. This equation should be balanced. Another one, 1 sulfur, 2 oxygen, but here 3 oxygen. Here 2, here 2, 3, 6 oxygen, here 3 times. Here SO2 and SO3 both are preparation, physical property, chemical property, uses similar, but structure somewhat different. This one is a trigonal planar bend shape. This one is only planar because of here lone per bond per repulsion takes place. We discuss about later. Second preparation in industrial method. First, sulfides ore. Forts are galena, zinc blend, iron pyrite. All the ores which consist of sulfur. First, sulfur concentrated by Froth flotation. How to form the SO2? For example, zinc sulfide. This name zinc blend undergo oxidation, that is heated to form zinc oxide plus SO2. Preparation of SO2. How to balance the equation? Zinc, zinc, sulfur, sulfur, here 2 oxygen, here 3 oxygen. So how to balance the equation? Here 2 times, here 2 times. 2 zinc, 2 sulfur. Here 4 oxygen, here is a 2 oxygen, is a 2 times. This SO2 further is what react with water to formation of H2SO4. This method, preparation of both SO2 and sulfuric acid. How to balance the equation? 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen is a oxygen, is a here 8 oxygen, here is water, 2, here is water. 4 is a equation ordered balanced. Another one 3 is 3 times sulfur balanced, hydrogen is balanced. Here is a 6, here is what 3, here is a 6, equation ordered balanced. Another one is a 4, here 4 is a 4 hydrogen, totally 8 hydrogen, 4 sulfur, how many oxygen? 16 oxygen. Here is what 8, here is what 2 is what equation ordered balanced. So another one is 5 times. Here is what 5 SO2, oxygen was 20. Here is what is equation 50. So one more thing is what SO2 further is react with oxygen to formation of SO3. Here is what 2 oxygen, here 3 oxygen, here 2 is 2 times 4 is 2, 6. Say SO3 is further treated with water to formation of H2SO4. SO3, SO2, H2SO4 both are preparation from the is a sulfide ores. This one is from industrial method, another one is a laboratory method. First, non-metal. What is the formula? Non-metal react with sulfuric acid to form non-metallic oxide. Plus water. For example, non-metal is a sulfur, react with the sulfuric acid. Non-metallic oxide is what? SO2 plus water. Balance equation. Here 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen. 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur. Here 4 oxygen. Here is what? Only is 2 oxygen. So here put here 2, here 2. So 2 hydrogen. Sulfur, how many sulfur? Here is 2 sulfur, here 1 sulfur, so totally is what? 3 sulfur. How many oxygen? 8 oxygen, here 6 oxygen, here 2 oxygen. Equation should be balanced. This is first type. What is the formula? Non-metal react with the sulfuric acid to form non-metallic oxide plus water. Here formula very important because of organic compounds, physical or chemical or inorganic compound is a volatile nature. First you have to consider the formula, then easy to balance the equation. Another method is a metallic. Metal react with sulfuric acid to form salt plus SO2 as a gas plus water. This is a formula. Metal, for example, copper, react with H2SO4. That is a concentrator. Dilute sulfuric acid does not react with the copper because a copper is a weak reducing agent, cannot displace the hydrogen from the dilute sulfuric acid. But they react in the presence of air. Here, metal react with the constant sulfuric acid. What is a salt? Copper sulfate plus SO2 as a gas plus water. This is the equation. How to balance the equation? Here 2 hydrogen, 2 sulfur. So here 4 hydrogen. Oxygen 8, here 4, here 2, here. Equation should be balanced. This metal react with the constant sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate and SO2. Preparation of SO2. Another one from sulfite. Sulfite, that is sodium sulfite. Here sulfate SO4 2 minus, sulfite SO3 2 minus, sodium valency 1 cross multiplication. This one react with the sulfuric acid. Sodium react with the sulfate, so to formation of Na2SO4. SO3 produce SO2. Hydrogen react with one more oxygen to formation of H2O. Equation should be is a balance. 2 sodium, sulfate, 1 hydrogen. These are the preparation of SO2 and SO3 and sulfuric acid. Another one is the properties. First one is physical property. SO2 is a colorless gas, pungent and suffocating odor. This is a point number 1. Point number 2, this one readily soluble in water. Point number 3, it is a heavier than air. That is a 2.2 times heavier than air. Now another point, SO2 can be liquefied at 293 Kelvin or 263 Kelvin. And can form the solid at 197 Kelvin. SO2 found in the volcanic eruption. These are the physical property. Another one is a chemical property. Chemical properties are, first one, acidic nature. Second one, reaction with NaOH and Na2SO3. Third one, oxidizing property. Fourth one, reducing property. Another one, reaction with the oxygen. Finally, bleaching action. These are the chemical property. We have to discuss one by one. First chemical property, acidic nature of SO2. SO2 dissolve in water to form H2SO3. Here HO, sulfur which containing the one lone pair, OH. This one is a structure for sulfurous acid. What is the formula? This one is a non-metallic oxide dissolved in water to form acid. These are the formula to form the acid. This acid turns blue litmus paper to red. So, acidic nature of SO2, formation of H2SO3. Next point, reaction with NaOH and Na2SO3. This one sodium hydroxide, this one sodium sulfite. SO2 is a acidic nature, react with base NaOH to formation of salt, NaHSO3. This name sulfur dioxide, this one sodium hydroxide, this one sodium bisulfite. Balance equation, one sodium, one hydrogen, one sulfur, here two oxygen, here one oxygen, three oxygen. Another one, SO2 react with the sodium carbonate, that is our sodium sulfate or sodium carbonate, that is water, to formation of NaHSO3 and produce carbon dioxide. Sulfur, one sodium, here two sodium is a two sodium, hydrogen, another one is a sulfur SO3, here one oxygen is what? Equation not at balance. 2 oxygen, here is a 5 oxygen. Okay, here SO2. Sodium sulfide, SO2 react with the sodium sulfide, water. Okay, so 2 sodium, here 2 sodium, common hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, one here 1 sulfur, here 1 sulfur is a 2 sulfur, oxygen, common oxygen, here 2 plus 5 6 is a, here is what? 6, here 2. Equation ordered balanced. SO2, okay, sodium sulfide, okay, 2, 3, 5, 6, another one SO2, okay, that is SO2 react with sodium carbonate, okay, right. Now balance equation, here 2 hydrogen, another one is a oxygen is a 2, 3, 5, 6 is a 6 oxygen. Is a non-metallic oxide acidic nature, react with the base, that is a base is a NaOH and sodium sulfide to formation of sodium bisulfide. This sodium bisulfide again heated to formation of sodium sulfide plus water plus CO2. CO2, here not CO2, is a SO2. Here 2 sodium, 2 hydrogen, sulfur 2, here 1, here 2, 6, 3, 4, 6. Equation should be balanced. Reaction with the sodium hydroxide and sodium sulfide. Another one, this one acts as a oxidizing property. SO2 is a mild oxidizing property when react with a strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agents are H2S to formation of sulfur plus water. Common oxygen, 2 oxygen, here 2 oxygen, common hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, here 4 hydrogen, common sulfur, 3 sulfur. The sulfur is a colloidal nature. Another one is a magnesium, react with SO2 to form MgO plus Mgs, magnesium oxide and magnesium sulfide. How to balance the equation? Here 2 oxygen, here 2 times, magnesium is 3 times, sulfur is what? 1 time. In our book, side product is sulfide only given, but in the reference book given in the magnesium sulfide, both are same, sulfur or magnesium sulfide. Here magnesium oxygen state is a 0, this magnesium oxygen state is what? Plus 2. Oxidation number increases, so this process of oxidation, this acts as a reducing agent, this acts as a oxidizing agent. So SO2 acts as a oxidizing property. Another one is reducing property. Here SO2 acts as a reducing property when reaction with the moisture. For example, SO2 react with moisture to form H2SO4 plus nascent hydrogen. SO2 acts as a reducing property in the presence of moisture to form nascent hydrogen. Here 3 hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen, so 2 times. Here is a 2 times. Hydrogen balance. Sulfur is a 1 sulfur. Oxygen is a 2. Here 2 is what equation should be balanced. For example, chlorine react with SO2 plus water to formation of H2SO4 plus HCl. This one acts as a oxidizing agent. This one acts as a reducing agent. How to balance the equation? Here 2, here 2. Chlorine here 2 chlorine. Here is a 1 chlorine is a 2 times. Hydrogen is what? 4. Here 2 times. Oxygen 4. Here 2. Here 2. Total is what? 4 oxygen. Another one. Potassium permanganate or potassium dichromate. Both are powerful oxidizing agent. React with the SO2 plus water. First react with the potassium to formation of K2SO4 plus MnSO4. Hydrogen react with the sulfur to formation of H2SO4. How to balance the equation? Here how many potassium? 1 potassium. Here is a 2 potassium. 2 times. Here is a 2 times. Another one is a hydrogen. Here 2 hydrogen. 2 hydrogen. Sulfur. Here 1 sulfur. 1, 2, 3. 3 sulfur. So how to write the 3? Oxygen, how many oxygen? 8, 6, 14, 15. Here 4, 8, 12, equation not balanced. So how to write the one more time? 5. Here 5 sulfur. Here is a 2 sulfur. 3, 4. Here 2 times. How many sulfur? 5 sulfur. Here 1. Here 2, 3 is a 5 sulfur. Oxygen how many? Here 8 oxygen, 10 oxygen, 18, 20. Here 4 oxygen, here 8 is a 12, 12 plus 8, 20. So equation should be balanced. Potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, Cl2, these are powerful oxidizing agent, react with the reducing property. SO2 acts as a reducing property in the presence of moisture to produce nascent hydrogen. Another one is a reaction with oxygen. Another one chemical property of SO2, reaction with oxygen. This process known as contact process. Contact process manufacture of sulfuric acid. For example, SO2 react with oxygen in the presence of V2O5, vanadium pentoxide. This equation maintained at 450 degrees Celsius pressure 1200 atm to form SO3. This present in the gaseous state, it is also gaseous state, this one is a solid state. This one best example for heterogeneous catalysis. What is a heterogeneous catalysis? Reaction in which reactant and catalyst are different phase. This is known as heterogeneous catalysis, formation of SO3. This SO3 further react with oxygen or dissolve oxygen to form sulfuric acid. Preparation of sulfuric acid. Manufacture sulfuric acid by the contact process. Contact process very important. Manufacture of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid used as a preservative. Another one, reaction with oxygen. Next, bleaching action. SO2 formed as a mild bleaching oxygen due to reduction of colored vegetable matter in the presence of air. For example, SO2 react with air to formation of SO3 and nascent hydrogen. One sulfur, here 3 oxygen, here 2 hydrogen. This nascent hydrogen react with colored vegetable matter, react with nascent hydrogen to formation of colorless vegetable matter. Here, bleaching article exposed to air again regain the colored vegetable matter due to air oxidation. This process known as a bleaching action. Bleaching of hair, silk, wool, straw. These are the important uses of SO2. Another one is structure. SO2 and SO3. Here, sulfur consists of lone pair, 2 oxygen. This one form the P pi multiple bond. This one form the P pi T pi multiple bond. Because oxygen absence of vacant d orbital, sulfur presence of vacant d orbital. This one exists sp2 hybridization. How to calculate hybridization? In the hybridization, number of sigma bond plus number of lone pair left. Here one is a sigma bond, another one is a bi bond. There are 2 sigma bond. 2. One is a lone pair, totally 3. Another one is a Sn. Sn nothing but steric number. What is the formula? Number of atom bonded with the sender atom. Number of atom bonded with the sender atom plus lone pair. How many atom bonded with the sender atom? There are 2 atom. How many lone pair? 1 lone pair, totally 3. This one exhibit sp2 hybridization. sp2 mean bond angle is what? 120 degrees Celsius. But this one not is a 120 degrees Celsius because a lone pair bond pair repulsion. It's a 120 degrees Celsius, somewhat decreases. For example, sulfur, this is a lone pair. This bond angle is 119.5 degree. This bond length is 142 picometer. Generally, this sulfur exhibit sp2 hybridization. sp2 mean 120 degrees Celsius. This one not 120 degrees Celsius due to lone pair bond pair repulsion. Bond length and bond angle will be decreases. Geometry. Geometry is a trigonal planar shape. We are bend shape. We are bend shape. Geometry depends upon the hybridization. Shape depends upon the presence of lone pair bond pair repulsion. These are planar converted into V and bend shape. Another one is SO3. This one form the P pi. This one form the P pi, T pi. This one form the P pi, T pi. Here sulfur. This bond angle is 120 degrees Celsius. Bond length 143 picometer. How to find out the hybridization? Hybridization. Number of sigma bond plus number of lone pair left. Here totally how many sigma bond? 1, 2, 3, 3. Steric number. Steric number. Total number of atom bonded with the center atom. Here how many atom bonded with the center atom? Is a 3 atom. So 3 is a what hybridization? sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization means a bond angle. What is the bond angle? 120 degrees Celsius. This one 119.5 degrees Celsius. This one is a 120 degrees Celsius. Here absence of repulsion between the lone pair and the bond pair. Here there is a lone pair. So dipole moment is a 0. Here dipole moment not at 0 because of lone pair bond pair repulsion is a geometry planar. These are the major difference between the SO2 and SO3 structure. So let us recall the oxygen family. First, what are the oxygen family? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Except oxygen, remaining all elements having the vacant d orbital in the valence shell because it forms the p by d by multiple bond between the sulfur and oxygen. SO2 molecule form the only one p by d by. SO3 molecule form the 2 p by t by. This type of question may be asked the NEET. So clear, simple to do, easy to do. Okay. Another one is except oxygen, remaining all elements having the vacant orbital because of oxygen is a smaller size, high electronegativity, high ionization energy, absence of d orbital. Next, allotropes of oxygen family: sulfur, selenium, tellurium. Another one is a polonium. We are discussed. Next, these are compounds of sulfur, SO2, SO3 and sulfuric acid. Preparation, physical property, chemical property, uses. Remaining we discuss about later. Organic compound, that is inorganic, chemical nature, volatile nature. How to practice the equation regularly. Good luck.